Hey friends, we are going to read how animals eat again today, but today I want you to try to read some of it with me. Animals look for all kinds of food, and they eat it in many different ways. Look at the ape. He eats fruit with his hands. Sometimes the fruit drips all over. It looks like his hands are sticky. Animal facts. This ape is an orangutan. It eats, plays, and sleeps in the rainforest trees. So these little animal facts are captions. They're extra little pieces of information that don't quite fit in the story, but it helps give us extra information to understand or to teach us extra things. So these captions are teaching us extra things about the animals that are in the story. Look at the pelican. She catches fish with her bill. Sometimes the fish don't fit. It looks like her beak is stuffed. Animal facts. This is a white pelican. Its beak is called a bill. Look at the lizard. He catches worms in his mouth. Sometimes the worm is very big. It looks like this worm won't fit. Animal facts. This lizard is called a skink. It eats worms and bugs. Look at the frog. She catches bugs with her tongue. Sometimes her tongue goes out very far. It looks like a long stretch. Animal facts. A frog's tongue is very sticky. How do you think a long, sticky tongue would help a frog catch bugs? It looks like the frog is able to stay on the land and catch bugs that are like floating on the water or something, or that might be farther away or hard to reach to. But that long sticky tongue helps him catch the bugs and reel them back into his mouth. Look at the otter. He crushes crab shells with his teeth. Sometimes he floats on his back. It looks like his belly is a table. Animal facts. A sea otter has webbed feet that help it float and swim. Here's a close-up picture to help you see those webbed feet. Look at the giraffe. He reaches leaves with his tall neck. Sometimes he sticks out his tongue. It looks like he is licking the tree. Animal facts. A giraffe's tongue helps it pull leaves from the tree. Look here, the close-up of its long tongue. Its tongue is a cool color. Look at the tortoise. She bites cactus fruit with her sharp beak. But the cactus is sharp too. Be careful, tortoise. Notice how these words are in bold. So when we read those words, we should change the way our voice sounds and read it with a little bit more expression because it's a bold thing to say. That's why the print is so bold. So be careful, tortoise.